Your mind is the most powerful tool you possess. Every thought you allow to take root shapes your reality. What you think, you become. What you focus on, you attract. Yet, so many people go through life unaware of the power they hold within their own minds. They let their thoughts run wild, filled with negativity, self-doubt, and limitations, and then they wonder why their lives don't change. The truth is simple. If you want to transform your life, you must first transform your mind. Every great achievement, every breakthrough, every moment of success starts in the mind. It starts with a belief, a vision, an unshakable certainty that something greater is possible. But if your mind is filled with doubt and fear, that is what you will manifest in your life. Thoughts are energy. They shape your emotions, influence your actions, and ultimately determine your outcomes. If you allow negative, destructive thoughts to take over, they will drain your energy and steal your potential. But if you learn to master your mind, to control your thoughts, you will master your destiny. The key to mastering your mind is awareness. Too many people let their minds operate on autopilot, absorbing negativity from the world around them. They listen to the doubts of others, replay their past failures, and assume that their circumstances define them. But your circumstances do not define you. Your mindset does. When you become aware of your thoughts, you take back control. You realize that you don't have to accept every thought that enters your mind. You can choose what to focus on, and that choice will determine your path. One of the greatest habits you can develop is training your mind to filter out negativity. Every time a thought enters your mind, ask yourself, does this serve me? Does this thought empower me or limit me? If it is holding you back, replace it. Your mind is a garden, and you must be the gardener. Remove the weeds of doubt and plant the seeds of belief, confidence, and determination. Nurture those seeds daily with affirmations, visualization, and intentional action. Speak life into your dreams. Train your mind to see possibilities where others see obstacles. Condition yourself to focus on solutions instead of problems. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to mastering the mind. It whispers lies, telling you that you are not enough, that you will fail, that you are not capable. But fear is just an illusion. It has no real power unless you give it power. The moment you decide to stop feeding fear with your thoughts, it loses its grip on you. Instead of letting fear control you, use it as a signal to push forward. When your mind tells you something is impossible, challenge it. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself of all the times you overcame adversity. You are stronger than your fears, but you must believe it before you can prove it. Your environment also plays a major role in shaping your thoughts. If you surround yourself with negativity, with people who complain, settle, and accept mediocrity, your mind will reflect that. But if you surround yourself with people who challenge you, inspire you, and push you to be better, your mind will expand to meet that standard. Choose wisely. Protect your mind the way you would protect your most valuable treasure, because that's exactly what it is. Mastering your mind is not about never having negative thoughts. It's about recognizing them and refusing to let them control you. It's about training yourself to focus on what you want instead of what you fear. It's about understanding that your thoughts are the architects of your future. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. The more intentional you are, the more powerful your mind becomes. And once you master your mind, you master your life. So, the question is, are you ready to take control? Are you ready to shape your reality instead of letting it be shaped for you? The power is in your hands. Your mind is your greatest asset. Use it wisely, and you will create a life beyond your wildest dreams. It all starts with a single decision, to master your mind, and in doing so, master your life.